Let's take a moment to quickly review what you can expect from your lease-end experience. As your lease approaches maturity, you have options to consider. Number 1, return your vehicle and replace it with a new Mercedes-Benz with the added benefit of loyalty incentives. Number 2, you're welcome to purchase your current vehicle. If you choose to purchase your vehicle, simply contact our lease maturity department or your Mercedes-Benz dealer. If you're planning on returning your vehicle, we have made the remaining steps as convenient for you as possible. In the months prior to your scheduled lease end, you will receive several brief communications regarding our simple lease end process, timing, and loyalty offers. Prepare for lease end by reviewing the information available on mbfs.com under the First Class Finish tab. Here you can review detailed information about the lease end process and how to schedule your vehicle pre-inspection. Before your pre-inspection, we suggest you use our credit card test and assess your vehicle guidelines. This will help you figure out what is considered excess wear and use. We recommend scheduling your pre-inspection 45 to 60 days prior to your lease end maturity date at autovinlive.com/login. The inspection will be performed by an independent third-party vehicle inspection company that will pre-inspect your vehicle at a location of your choice, home, work, or dealership on a day and time that is convenient for you. The inspection itself will take approximately 45 minutes and you can be present or not. It's up to you. The inspector is merely recording the condition of the vehicle, a completely transparent process. Shortly thereafter, the third-party inspection company will post the report online for you to review. The report includes indications of any wear and use and current mileage, organized by chargeable and non-chargeable items. You'll have the opportunity to explore the option of repairing any excess wear and use items with your Mercedes-Benz dealer in advance of your expected vehicle return date. The next step is to schedule a day and time to return your vehicle to the dealership. The third-party vehicle inspection company will do a final inspection at that time. We will then send your lease-end statement detailing any charges incurred for mileage overages, missed maintenance, and/or excess wear and use. It's that simple. We hope your Mercedes-Benz lease experience was everything you hoped it would be, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you in the way that serves you best. And to make sure that returning your vehicle is hassle-free, we're always here to help.